Intention, Ontario trucking companies. If you are relying on facility insurance, you could be overpaying. Reduce your insurance cost by $10,000 or more per truck. And good news, we accept drivers with only 1 year of experience. To learn more, just send us text by typing insurance to 365-364-0714. Thank you.
All right, you've been involved in an accident. What information do you have to give to the other person? So for this is a great question that came up. One of you, a listener, reached out to me and said, what information do I have to give to the other vehicle, or to the other vehicle owner or occupant? I thought that was a great question, so here it comes. In the Highway Traffic Act, it says, upon request, give in writing to anyone sustaining loss or injury, or to a police officer, or to any witness, his or her name, address, driver's license number, and jurisdiction of issuance, which in this case means what province did your license come from, or what state if you're from the US, and the motor vehicle liability insurance policy issuer and the policy number, as well as the name, address of the registered owner of the vehicle and the vehicle permit number. A vehicle permit number, by the way, is the ownership. So let me read that to you one more time, because I put my own words in there and I don't want to confuse the Highway Traffic Act. Upon request, give in writing to anyone sustaining loss or injury, or to any police officer, or to any witness, his or her name, address, driver's license number, and jurisdiction of issuance, motor vehicle liability insurance policy issuer, and policy number, name and address of the registered owner of the vehicle, and the vehicle permit number. That's it. That's the whole Highway Traffic Act here in Ontario, and I'm sure it's very similar right across the country. By the way, the other part that I just want to refer to in the Highway Traffic Act, when I looked up this great question, it's titled Duty of Person in Charge of Vehicle in Case of Accident. And it says, number 1, where an accident occurs on the highway, every person in charge of a vehicle or streetcar that is directly or indirectly involved in that accident shall remain at or immediately return to the scene of the accident, and B, render all possible assistance, and C, upon request, give in writing. So that was the part I've already read to you, so I'm not going to repeat that a third time. All right, so that's it. That's all you have to do. That's all the information that you legally have to give. All righty then. Chris Harris, Safety Dawg. I'm out of here.